What's up, guys? So I've been playing with the wltoys 12428 quite a bit, as you've seen from the videos, right? And I may have driven it through water and completely burnt out the ESC. So in this video, we're going to unbox the Hobbywing, I know, was it Quick Run 1060 brushed ESC, and see what it looks like. And we'll chuck it in the car and make sure it all works. Alright, let's unbox it. Don't actually have a knife or anything. Just gonna use this screwdriver. Screwdriver didn't even cut it. There we go. There's little bugs flying around because I'm in the shed and it's night time. So please try to ignore them. Can't really do much about it. Where does it open? Does it just slide out? Oh, it just slides out. So there we have it. I don't know, I like the look of it, it looks good. If we get in the box, we get some double-sided tape and some heat shrink. It's handy. Some zip ties, so you can zip tie it in. A little user manual, which is back to front, because you don't open it that way. And it's upside down. But anyways, I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? That's really odd though. Gonna lie. Oh no, it's not a user manual. Folds out. That makes more sense. Pretty basic. Not too bad though. And last but not all, you get some stickers, which is pretty cool. I'll put that on the car somewhere, I think. Let's have a look. Just get that out of the way. Sorry. Try and get it out of this little plastic thing. There we go. Looks like a nice little ESC. As you can see, if I can get it to focus on it for you, that's the little settings that it's got. LiPo, nickel metal hydride, forward brake reverse, forward brake. So, my forward brake reverse. I'm pretty sure that if you just take this one out, you have full drag brake, don't you? I don't know, I'll have to work it out. Then I'll let you know. I could just read the instructions, but that's a lot of effort. I'm pretty sure that if you take this out completely, you have drag brake. So it'll be forward brake, reverse, but it will also have the drag brake for you not on the throttle. So here's the car. Let's get it to focus. As you can see, I've changed the servo to a 3-pin servo because it comes with a 5-pin. I have a little transmitter here. It's a 3-pin one just sitting in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this and make sure it works for you. And then in the next video we'll take this out and see how it goes with this in it, I guess. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to... What would be the best way to put it on? One of these ways. I might just go like this and go put it on like that. Okay, let me just get some where's the double-sided tape that it gives you? So in here it comes with some double-sided tape. I'm not going to bother opening that, it's going to take too long. This big square one here. It's pretty straightforward really, but I'm just going to show you anyway. Peel the tape off. Throw it over there. So that. I'm literally just going to stick it on the car right there. Perfect. It's just where I want it. And then I'm pretty sure that the steering one actually goes in channel 2 and the ESC goes in channel 1, like that. Now if I actually had a battery, it'd be good to go. Actually, I have no idea what way these go. If I'm being honest, they're yellow and blue, whereas the motor's red and white. So I don't know which way it goes. That's a very good question. I guess I'll just plug it in and then we'll find out when we turn it on. I'm gonna say that yellow's black. Yellow goes to the black one. Just a random guess. I'll be right. Why not? Alright, now I'm just gonna get a battery and we'll give it a test. I'll be back in a moment. I'll go find one. Alright, I had to change the battery connector because it turns out it didn't have a battery like that. So I changed it to an XC60. And as you can probably see in the background, I've accumulated a lot of bugs now. But anyway, let's just put this in and see what happens. Actually, where's the controller first? Turn the controller on. Let's put the battery in. This is not the battery that goes in it, obviously. This is just a temporary battery. Okay, that sound is the servo, but it doesn't matter. Okay then, that's the wrong way. I've wired it wrong. Oh, we all make mistakes, I guess. That's the correct way, I think. Yes, that sounds better. Oh. Oh yeah, that steering servo is real strong, isn't it? I don't know about that steering servo. That doesn't seem very good with the These need to be flipped. So blue goes to black for future references. Yellow to red, blue to black. Just like that. Alright. Feels good. Definitely has no drag brake. And that steering servo does not sound happy. But to change the braking system, what battery have I got on? Switch the battery. I don't know if you can see. As you can see, it's got this and then the battery. The battery's current. I'm setting on the wrong one, so let's just change that to LiPo. Basically, you just pull it out like that and jump it over to the other two. And I'm going to remove this one. If I can get it out. And now it should have drag brake. Let's have a look. Doesn't feel like it. Does it? I don't know, it doesn't feel like it does. Okay, no it does. It's not much. I might have to fiddle around with the controller a little bit. I've got to have a look at that steering servo. It does not sound healthy. Alright, let's give it a go and see how it goes. I kind of fixed the steering servo. It turns out the dual rate was turned down. I've just got this battery stuck in the back there for the mount because that's all I've got. And we're just going to throw it on the shed floor and have a quick go and see how it goes. Alright, let's get down and have a look. It does definitely have drag brake. It may be because it's not a very good motor. I'm not sure, but you can definitely tell that it's got drag brake. It's very easy to control now. It's very hard to drive with one hand with a controller. A thumb barely even reaches. But you can just the throttle input's so much better with this ESC. It's so smooth compared to the stock wltoys one. The steering servo is still making a lot of noise, but it'll be fine until it breaks. That's okay. Holy gosh. This is just a 2S Wi-Fi too, by the way. Alright, we'll give it to it. I'll go straight into reverse. The diffs on this are locked, all of them, so it's quite not very good turning. We'll go again. Holy crap. It's good. The ESC seems fine. The steering servo is making a lot of noise, but that's okay. That's pretty good. It isn't the best recording, but figured I'd show you how it goes in the video. And in the next video, or I don't know, whenever I get a chance, I'll get out and I'll make an actual crawling video with it, with the bigger wheels on as well. Alright guys, if you've enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and let us know what you think. And we'll see you next video.